Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of online banking, specifically a platform called Qonto. You might be using it, thinking about using it, or maybe you've just seen the name around. But have you ever stopped to ask, is Qonto a real bank? It's a fair question. Online banking is booming, and with so many options popping up, it's important to understand who you're trusting with your money. So, let's get down to business and see if Qonto has the credentials you'd expect from a real bank. The magic word, licensed. The key thing to look for when choosing an online bank is a banking license. This basically means the platform is authorized to hold your deposits and offer certain financial services, just like a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. So, does Qonto have this magic license? The answer is yes. Qonto operates under a European Electronic Money Institution (EMI) license. This means they can hold your money electronically and provide some core banking features, like making payments and receiving transfers. But wait, there's more. Not all EMIs are created equal. Qonto goes a step further by partnering with a licensed credit institution, a real bank with a physical presence, to safeguard your funds. In Qonto's case, their partner is a reputable French bank called Crédit Mutuel Arkéa. This partnership ensures your money is protected up to a certain amount, which varies depending on the country you're in, by a deposit guarantee scheme. What this means for you. Having a banking license and a partnership with a traditional bank gives you some serious peace of mind. Here's why. Security. Knowing your money is held by a licensed institution with regulations and oversight gives you an extra layer of security. Protection. The deposit guarantee scheme acts as a safety net in case something unforeseen happens to Qonto. Trust. A banking license signifies that Qonto has met certain financial stability requirements, making them a more trustworthy platform for your hard-earned cash. Beyond the basics. Now, obtaining a banking license is just one piece of the puzzle. While Qonto offers core banking features, it might not be a complete replacement for a traditional bank, depending on your needs. Here are some things to consider. Limited services. Qonto may not offer all the bells and whistles of a traditional bank, like loans, investment products, or physical branches. Geographic restrictions. Qonto's availability may be limited depending on your location. Focus on businesses. Qonto is primarily designed for businesses and freelancers, though they do offer individual accounts. The verdict. So, is Qonto a real bank? With a banking license and a partnership with a traditional bank, it definitely checks some key boxes. However, it's important to understand its limitations and whether it meets your specific banking needs. Remember, do your research and compare options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.